Greetings, I'm Helma Bloomberg, and welcome to your Rancho Mirage, California real estate market update as of April 19, 2025. This week, the median list price for single-family homes in Rancho Mirage is $1,286,944. The median price of new listings is $1,247,500. The price per square foot is currently $485. Let's take a look at market activity. Homes are spending an average of 103 days on the market, with the median days on market at 70 days. 51% of current listings have seen a price decrease, while 3% have experienced a price increase. Additionally, 17% of homes have been relisted. Inventory has increased to 316 active listings. Now let's review the Market Action Index, which compares the rate of sales versus inventory. This week, the index is at 28, indicating a slight buyer's advantage. This is an increase from last month's index of 27. Home sales have been exceeding new inventory for several weeks. Since this is a buyer's market, prices are not yet moving higher as excess inventory is consumed. However, as the supply and demand trend continues, the Market Action Index may move into the seller's zone, and we are likely to see upward pressure on pricing. Now, if you're buying or selling, here's what you need to know. For buyers, finding the right home is about more than just square footage. It's about lifestyle, location, and long-term goals. I offer exclusive access to off-market properties and leverage eXp Realty's global network of over 90,000 agents. As part of eXp's luxury division, I use cutting-edge tools to find opportunities you won't find anywhere else. My goal is to help you secure the perfect home with confidence and ease. For sellers, your home deserves maximum exposure. Our luxury marketing includes placement on 80 international real estate websites, luxury placements in the Wall Street Journal, Mansion Global, Robb Report, Unique Homes, DuPont Registry, and Forbes Global Properties. And we feature your property with professional twilight and drone photography, plus a dedicated property website. Targeted advertising ensures your listing reaches the right buyers, locally and globally, attracting serious interest and top-dollar offers. Whether you're upsizing, downsizing, or relocating, I offer expert negotiation, seamless transactions, and personalized service to make your transition effortless. That's your Rancho Mirage, California real estate market update. If you're thinking about buying or selling, this is the time to stay informed and strategize. Contact me at Helma at helmabloomberg.com or call me at 760-636-3105 for the California Desert or 805-450-6006 for Santa Barbara and its surrounding horse and wine country. And before you go, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on social media for more insights, tips, and updates on the luxury real estate market. Thank you for watching.